Welcome. In front of me is DELL Latitude 3520, and in this video I'm going to show you how to copy and paste on this laptop. So let's begin with text. Let's enter some sample text into the new text document, and now to copy it you have to select the text or part of it and then either right click and select copy, or use Ctrl+C combination of keys. Then to paste it, either right click and select paste, or use Ctrl+V combination of keys. You can also cut the text out. To do that, select it and then either right click and select cut, or use Ctrl+X combination of keys. Then you can also paste it using Ctrl+V or right click and paste. Now you can also use the Windows clipboard. In order to do that, use Windows+V combination of keys and then click turn on, and this way you will turn on the clipboard. Now you can make a couple of selections. And using Windows+V combination of keys, you'll be able to choose which one you want to paste next. Okay, and that's it for the text. Now let's go to the File Explorer and I will show you how to do the same thing with your files. So let's go to Screen Recordings folder, for example. Now if I want to copy this file, either select it and click copy right here, right click and select copy, or use Ctrl+C combination of keys. To cut it out, you can either use cut option, right click, cut, or Ctrl+X. And to paste it again, Ctrl+V or paste right here, or right click and paste if you see such option right here. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.